Hello everybody and welcome JVs and affiliates on behalf of myself, Simon Greenhouse, and my partners, Andy Black and Max. This is going to be a demonstration for affiliates of ClickPress, and I'm firstly just going to give you a bit of a brief overview of this. The reason we started to develop this was because we like everybody else in the industry that runs adverts on websites, knows that the traditional styles of banners and whatever else, even whether it's CPA offers or whether it's the traditional ad networks like AdSense and that type of thing, the click-through rates on these things are pretty shocking, to be honest. Now the thing is that when you go on all these sort of the big new modern websites that appear on, that get a lot of traffic from Facebook and all this kind of stuff, they have these adverts that are just far more powerful, far more make them far more money than anything that comes from the traditional sort of advertising networks. But the problem is that these websites, they all custom create their own. They have developers in house and they custom create their own advert styles. And that kind of thing is just not really available to people who run their own websites on WordPress and that type of thing. So we modelled the best performing ads that are out there, and we have put together a plugin that's taken us a long time to develop and a lot of work and a lot of effort. We're very proud of how it's turned out. And this is ClickPress. So this that I'm using here right now is ClickPress Pro. So part of this will be the upsell, the first upsell. Now the reason we've done a Pro version is because in the basic version, what you can do is you can create all different styles of ads that go on your website. The Pro version, it gives you exact same functionality, but it adds on the ability to be able to track and test and split test and get conversions and EPCs and all that for the ads that you're actually running. We're also going to have another upsell as well, where we're going to give them a package of banners that fit with these different styles of ads, so they don't have to go off to a designer and go and get a load of ads created. So yeah, basically it's these are the different styles of ads. So when you go to create a new ad, these are ClickPress ad units. Now we've got Click Takeover. I'm going to show you all these in a demonstration, but Click Takeover basically is a full page takeover of the whole page. So a big ad will pop up and it takes over the full page, and we've added in a delay for when that actually comes up, and also a timer for how long it stays on, or they can just click close, or they can click through to the offer. It's a great ad, works really well. Click Footer. This is a footer that goes at the bottom of the page, but it hovers over the page, so when you scroll down the page, it actually stays there right in view, and they can also close it as well. Click Peel. This is one of those corner peeling ads, so they can choose whether it's up on the left, on the right, at the bottom, and they can choose where to put it. And when they hover it, it's got sort of like a little peeling thing. It really grabs the attention, and when you hover over it, it opens up and peels the page back. So that's one of those. Background. This is in the background of the actual website. So all your content would be in the middle, and the full skin, if you like, of the website of the theme is filled in the background with an advert that's always there. And you can put images that you can put in there, whatever you like. Like you can put sort of whatever you like. It just fills the whole background, and when they hover over it, you can click through to whatever offer. Click Cutout. Now this one is all the traditional styles of ads that you will ever see. So all the different dimensions, your usual ad dimensions like small banners, leaderboards, skyscrapers, 300 by 250s, all that kind of stuff, except your image is inside it and the background is transparent, so it looks like it's floating and cut out around on the page. So it really stands out, grabs the attention, and it also hovers above the page as well. So you can put it anywhere on the page, so like center, up the top, left, right, center, left, top, right, top, left, blah, blah. You can do it all, whatever you want. And when you hover down the page, it stays there. When you scroll down the page, it stays there. Click Expand. This is a really cool one. This one has one small sized ad, and you might put something like, click here to get such and such a thing, to get a coupon or whatever else. And then when they hover over the ad, a big one expands, so it expands out into a bigger ad. So again, it really attracts the attention. You know, they hover, they see the ad, it attracts their attention, and then when they hover over it, it expands into a bigger ad that you can put whatever you want on. It's really cool as well. Click video. This is a hovering autoplay video that can be in the center, on the left, or upright, whatever. And as you scroll down the page, it stays on the page, and you can put whatever you want. So maybe you've got like a, I don't know, like an affiliate bonus offer, something like that, and you want to put okay, so that's that, and then just to show you this very quickly as well, this is the pro. This is, like I say, the pro version. So what happens here is you will create a campaign. You'll add a campaign. So you give the campaign a name. You select one of the ad units that you've just created. You add it, and then when you've done that, it will give you a tracking pixel. You put that tracking pixel, so you can have multiple ads as well. So say you're doing a background ad, so you'll upload multiple background ads into here. You'll add them in, it'll give you a tracking pixel, you put that on your thank you page, and then it will report the impressions, the clicks, the conversions, and the click-through rate, and the EPC, because you can also put in a conversion value as well for each ad, and then you can choose which one is the winner, and you can run your best ads, and you can drop your losing ads. So it's really easy to run. It's just as simple as just like creating the ads, adding them in here, save changes, put a bit of code on your thank you page, and then let it run. You know, it's really good. We're expecting this upsell to convert extremely well, because, you know, like, what's the point in having all these ads? You know, you can have these, like, if you just want to put these ads on your page and just run them, that's fine. But if you want to put them on and you actually want to see how they're converting and how they're actually performing, which any pro, hence the pro user, would want to do, then that's something that you can do there. So just to give you some examples of the types of ads. So this is a test. This is the footer campaign. So I'll just update that and come over here. And you can see it's already actually on the page, but I'll just refresh that anyway. So that is the footer. And as you can see, when you scroll down there, it stays exactly where it is. And you can also close that as well. Then we've got the Click Expand campaign. So this is the Click Expand. Again, you can put whatever ads in here that you actually want. You know, your images could be anything, but for example, this one, for test purposes, we've got our designer to just put in, sorry, my browser's just been a little bit slow. So what we've got here, as you can see, is this banner will go anywhere. It can go, I'll just put it here for test purposes, but this is a, you know, you can put whatever image you want in here. You might get a banner design that said something like hover here for, you know, a 20% off coupon, and when they expand that, there's a 20% coupon there with a code, that kind of thing. So that's how that works. Again, really powerful stuff, and you can put that wherever you want on your page, and also they can close it as well if they want to. That's the test expand. We've done the background one. Now I need to have a sort of better ad created for this one, but you'll be able to get that's a rough idea of how it works. Now what you'd do is you create an image. You'd create the image. It depends on your website, and then you would have the content of the ad in there and in there. But obviously this one I've just put the same background ad in because I needed to find out exactly. It depends on the theme, you see, but you can play about with that, and we're also going to provide some as well. And in the future we may provide a theme which allows people to be able to get ads that like just fit in with it perfectly. But as you can see, it does work anyway, and that image could be anything in there. You know, that's just the one we've used for testing purposes here. The Click Peel campaign. This is the peel ad. And you can see up there we've got this peel here, so that peels back, and again you could have whatever ad underneath you want under there, and when they click it they go through to whatever landing page you want. Takeover, this I think is set as about a couple of, I think it's set to instant actually, so as soon as I refresh this now, this could be set at any amount of time, so it could be set at, you know, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, a minute, or whatever you want, but when you refresh it, it should, there you go, instantly go to the full page. And then you can also set it so there's a timer, so this will, you know, after 10 seconds will disappear, or they can click close and just close it like that. That's that. And then the video, again, we've just put in a test video in here, but you get the idea. It's just a video that just pops up. That video can be anywhere.
Hi everyone.
It will autoplay. It can be down here. It can be any size. And when you scroll down the page, it just stays there as well. And then obviously they can close it as well. So that's that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. this is the demonstration of the different ads as we go on. This is going to be an evergreen offer. We're doing a 5-day launch, but it's going to be an evergreen offer. We're going to be getting this put into people's funnels and on the back end of people's launches and all that kind of stuff, because this is a completely evergreen offer. You know, we'll be adding new different styles of ads in all the time, and this product will be around in 5 years' time. So, you know, promote the launch, and then from there on, promote it in your backends, promote it in your funnels, because this is going to sell and sell and sell and sell. And what we're aiming for here is to be the sort of the go-to plugin for anybody that wants to monetize a WordPress blog. And we've got a lot of plans that I can't really reveal right now, but for future versions where we're going to be expanding on the whole idea a lot more. But like I say, anyway, thanks a lot for watching the video. On behalf of myself, Andy and Max, take care. Speak to you soon.